How to generate QR code of your group chat on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Now click on the messenger icon given at the top left. You'll be directed to the messages page. Now from here, open the group chat. After you open it, click on the group name given at the top. Now here, you're gonna find different option. Click on the option invitation link. With that, different options will appear. Navigate to the option QR code. With that, you're gonna get the QR code of this group. So you can either save the picture of this QR code to the camera roll or directly share QR code. If you wanna do so, click on the option share QR code. You're gonna get different app options. So you can easily share this group QR code to these options given over here. So this is how you can generate QR code of your group chat on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.